Hi, my name is Summer Baldwin, and I'm a low-flying trapeze artist and actress in New Orleans. I have been an aerial dancer for about 4 years, and I've been an actress and floor dancer for about 8 years. This specific piece that I'm working on for Raw is inspired by the character that I'm playing in a black and white film noir that's being shot here in New Orleans, and it's called The Dead Man's Number, and my character is Betty in that film, so my dance is going to be inspired by Betty. I love all dance, and I love flying, and I love the fact that I can combine them as opposed to being a circus performer where it's mostly about tricks and spectacle. I really love the fact that I can combine dance and trapeze. I see myself still working in and around New Orleans as an actress and dancer in whatever way I can. I would love to be just a working performer. I think that Raw is a really great organization. I love the fact that I get to see so many artists that I would never probably be able to see otherwise, all at the same time in one night. And it's a really great feeling to be a part of something where there's so many artists from around the community coming together for one evening. I have a Facebook page that's called Summer Tennyson Baldwin, and that is my professional Facebook page where I post videos and what I'm up to, and you can also find a link to my website on my Facebook page. My name is Summer Baldwin, and I am a Raw artist.